and the vlogs ni sumagbasa data guys. Dancing is an enjoyable and fun activity many people love to engage in. It is a good way to while away one's time while in the company of other people. It is an important part of
Socializing.
socializing in the previous lesson. Dance is described as a form of physical activity that helps the body and mind.
Wala na kakaitis lang din. Physical
Mind to become
Asa ka dapat mind become din dapat. Asa ka dapat di ay? Apa makadis physical o? Uyo dili o.
activity that helps the body and mind to become healthy. This lesson will focus of a particular type of dance. Folk dancing can serve as a good form of physical activity. Participating in different folk dance activities and integrating it in a daily physical activity will help improve one's fitness. In the same manner, our folk dances are reflections of our culture that mirror our costumes,
Traditions. Sige na.
Traditions,
Sometimes. Sentiments.
and feelings. Bye-bye.
Feelings. Ikaw eh?
Feelings. Bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.